Hey there, everybody. The purpose of this video is to get you an introduction to how to use a Windows program called Snipping Tool, which is a pretty slick way of capturing images that are on your computer. Here's a picture of me playing the drums back in Philadelphia a few years ago when I had a little bit more hair. And I'm going to show you how to capture this picture and then save it as an image file on your computer. So what we're going to do is we're going to go and we're going to search for snipping, and there it is right there, Snipping Tool. Okay, I'm going to drag it over here so you can see it. All right, Snipping Tool. And it pops up, it says select the snip mode using the mode button or click the new button. I've never used the mode button. You can mess around with it if you want. I've always just hit new. And then what you do is, you notice how the whole screen just got grayed out. What you then do is you put your cursor, I always start at the top left click, hold, and then drag. And as you do that, it draws a rectangle around what you want to snip. And then you let go, and what you see now is you see the picture that I've just selected. And now from here you can do all kinds of stuff with it. Very often what I do is I just right-click and copy it into a document. But what I'm going to do now, for this purposes of this quiz, I'm going to show you how to save it. So we're just going to hit save, and then we're going to put it somewhere here. We'll go with desktop, and we'll put, it defaults to the name capture. I'm going to put Sean Drums Philly. Okay, and then it saves it as a default of JPEG, which is totally fine. Hit save, and then you can close it if you want, and I can actually minimize, and then we can go look and we can find it. Where is Sean Drums Philly? Here it is right here, Sean Drums Philly. And oops, it opened over here. Here we go. And there's the image that you just snipped. So there you go. You've got your image saved. It's a very useful tool, like I said, if you've got a Windows machine. If you've got a Mac, I'm sure there's a way to do it. I just don't know what it is because I don't use Macs that much. But Snipping Tool has been available on Windows machines for a very long time. So there you have it, my friends. Snipping Tool. Use it in good health.